Your body is designed to detox naturally, but sometimes it needs a little extra help. In today's fast-paced world, toxins can build up and disrupt your overall health. Let's explore 5 key signs that your body might be craving a detox. Number 1. Persistent fatigue. If you're feeling constantly tired despite getting enough sleep, it could be a sign that your body is overburdened with toxins and struggling to function optimally. Number 2. Skin issues. Your skin is one of the body's main detox organs. Acne, rashes, or dull complexion can indicate that your body is trying to eliminate toxins through your skin. Number 3. Digestive problems. Frequent bloating, constipation, or indigestion might mean your liver and digestive system are overwhelmed and need support to process waste effectively. Number 4. Brain fog and irritability. Toxins can impact brain function, leaving you feeling unfocused, forgetful, or unusually moody. These symptoms might signal that it's time to reset and recharge. Number 5. Brittle nails and hair. Nutrient deficiencies caused by toxin buildup can result in weaker nails and hair. Detoxing can help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and restore vitality. So how can you support your body's natural detox process? Start by drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and reducing processed foods and sugar. Practices like deep breathing, regular exercise, and adequate sleep also play a vital role in helping your body eliminate toxins and restore balance. Your body communicates when it needs care. By paying attention to these signs and taking proactive steps, you can support your health and feel your best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips.